I'm often told a lot that the videos that I make seem to match the music just perfectly. And I'd like to take credit for that, but a lot of it has more to do with the way that our mind sees patterns in nature and patterns in music. It's both aesthetic and acoustic. When we film something beautiful in nature, we'll see those patterns, and then we'll hear those patterns in music, and our mind will bring them together. So that experience is happening within us. And I think that's pretty cool. So the idea of the light monument, we wanted to do something that was like a video installation. They wanted to utilize that wall that's in like across from the bar, right, to like add something to that would bring the sort of the bigger environment of Oahu into that space. So I try to focus on patterns that you can find in nature, patterns of light, patterns of the trees, the branches, current. A lot of it was influenced by the photography that was in the first Elevate magazine, and that was sort of already set as the palette. Some of it by John Hook. Beautiful stuff, really iconic places in Waikiki. The goal was to kind of find those places and capture them in video in a way that remained true to that feel, so the sort of romantic feel that's in the photos. The idea behind the Anuenue concept was the rainbow, and that's what it means in English. Red, I used the hibiscus. In yellow, plumeria. The green, a lot of it is Nu'uanu, waterfalls and mossy rocks and ferns. And blue, into the waters off of China Walls in Port Lock, Hawaii. Purple, it blends into sunset ocean. A lot of purple colors in the clouds during sunset. With this installation, I hope that the viewer, one, has a pleasant experience, that they're offered views of Hawaii they may not have time to see, or they may want to see again, like back at the hotel, you know, hey, we were there. But also, I hope that like another dimension appears of Hawaii. It'll happen like without them knowing, and maybe come to them later that they've actually journeyed through a rainbow while they're watching the video.